Alright, hi everyone, my name is Courtney Lake. This is part 2 of my fall decor hauls. So if you've not had the so if you have not watched the first one, it's gonna be here, somewhere up here. Go watch that now and then come on back. This one is gonna be everything else of fall decor. As you know, or as you don't know, or as you'll find out, I am 90 years old spiritually, and I love nothing more than fall. I love nothing more than decorating, so when my grandkids come over, they can have the best holiday season at my mom's house that they have ever had. We have a lot of stuff here. So this haul is going to consist of TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Target, Dollar Spot, and Dollar General. Oh, and Michael's. But okay, let's get started because there's a lot. All right, first item. These are from the Target Dollar Spot. These are two Trick or Treat and Hocus Pocus little stick DIY. These are really cute, just little stick things. At Target, they actually have like the blank signs, just the blank wooden signs that you can add these to. So I really like these. I'm probably going to use these for a DIY. These were both $3 each, and this one is actually glittery, so you don't even need to actually paint this one. You could totally just put it on whatever you want. This one is more of a fall one. It just says apple picking, and that's kind of the same thing. This one is you can use for fall. You can put this on a big apple if you wanted, like a wooden apple or something. It comes with a little ruler in it to help you put them on straight. So I actually like that it comes with like the little ruler, because I feel like I'm that person who's just like, I don't care, I'm just gonna put it on, and then I look back and I'm like, this is crooked. Oh, I didn't put this in my last haul, so I'm gonna put it in here, even though this is from the dollar store. This little sign. This is so cute. I was gonna paint it, but it's actually, the thing is actually made out of plastic, so you probably can't paint this. Maybe you could peel this little picture off and then paint it, but if you wanted to like trace along the pumpkin and paint the pumpkin a different color, you actually can't. But it does have this little thing, so you could hang it on your wall if you want. But I think these would be cute on like little trays or tier trays, or like just in the kitchen or in the windowsill, or just somewhere really cute. This is my favorite thing, and my mom actually hates this, but I'm like, how could you hate this? Look at this! Take your chair! Stop playing! Okay, stop playing. This is so cute! Oh my god. It's just this little sign. It's got distressed black wood. This is from Michael's. And it says Hocus Pocus. Anything Hocus Pocus I am here for. I'm getting, I need. They have a pillow that said just a bunch of Hocus Pocus, and I do really want to find a pillow that says just a bunch of Hocus Pocus. So if anybody knows where I can get one besides Michael's, or if if they have coupons out or whatever, let me know. I got this, and so it was $15, which I thought was good for this, and I actually got it for $11 because it was 40% off. I thought that was good for this sign. Like, listen, this is like good quality thick wood, okay? And I love that it's like a little garland for the hocus, and the pocus is like just painted on. That's just my nails. So cute. Sorry, I had a lot of wine today. I came back from wine tasting, but stop. Okay, quick ramble about this next item. So I saw this item in Marshalls. I think I saw it in HomeSense. I think I saw it in a different Marshalls Home Goods. I've seen this item so many times, and I was like, should I get it? Should I not get it? Should I get it? Should I not get it? I don't know. Finally, I was like, I'm getting this. Went to get it, and the line was like around the building. And I was like, I had been out all day. I had driven home. I was like, I've been out all day. Like, I'm not gonna do this. I don't want to do this, okay? I'm not gonna get it. My mom happened to call me and say she was going to Marshalls, and I was like, can you please pick up this pink jack-o'-lantern pumpkin thing? And she was like, okay, if I can figure out which one it is. And she literally got the right one, and it was still there, because the day I almost got it, there was 3. That was a blessing from God. But look, So cute colors. And look at this. I cannot wait to put this in my room. And what I also like about it is, so it has the jack-o'-lantern kind of like, but I like that it's not cut out. It's just very subtle bit of Halloween. So I feel like I said in my last video, sometimes Halloween decorations can cross over to being like tacky. So, I mean, come on, I'm the queen of tacky. I know this, but they can cross over. So this is really cute right here. And then what I'm gonna do is just turn this around like this. So for fall, you can literally just turn this. Yeah, love that. Oh yeah, this was $12.99 from Marshalls. And I wouldn't normally buy stuff like this, but like, I don't know. And it was a good price. Like, I just liked it, you know? Okay. Booyah, 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 booyah. All right, so this is this like embroidered gold, like it has like kind of embroidery type of look on it, painted on gold flowers onto a white skull. Now I know like people probably like, I know some people probably are like not into it, but I thought this was really cute. So I have some spell books that I got last year from the dollar store. Also, if you want to get spell books, look in the dollar store. This, I wanted to stack my spell books up and sit this on top of my spell books. This was from TJ Maxx and this was $7.99, which I felt like was a good price for this. It's like a solid, I don't know what this is made out of. I actually really don't. I'm gonna show you something else I got from the Target dollar spot. Bullseye's Playground, either way. So this is a $3 felt pumpkin. Okay. So the room that I sleep in is blue, so I like to put some blue simple little pumpkins in there. So I went ahead and I got this little pumpkin. So cute, just a felt little pumpkin, has a cute little felt leaf. They did have these in a couple different colors. Maybe I should have gotten like more than one, but something about this I like. So they are felt, but they are hard. Like you can't really squeeze them down. I don't know what I liked about this, but I liked it. So I was just like, I gotta get it. So I got it. We just threw it in a bag. Like I want it, I got it, you know?
I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it.
So this is from Dollar General. All right, this is so cute. Okay, here we go. This is a little truck. I love this color. It matches the bluish greenish color with the little like orange and the pumpkins. Just matches so well with our house, with the kitchen. This was $5. I love this little truck. Yeah, the truck thing is growing on me. Like when they started doing all the red truck stuff for Christmas, I was just like, it's cute, but it's not really my thing. But it's like slowly but surely growing on me. Like I'm kind of more of like a glam type of person, but I don't know, the little farmhouse truck thing is just growing on me. It's so cute. That was $5. Next item that I got from Dollar General, this little sign. So it's kind of along the same color scheme. This was so cute. So this says harvest and gather, and it was $3. It's just a really cute thing. It has like this cute little spring leaf, galvanized like green leaf. I just love this. I like the little bows. You can see the hot glue. Like it's not the highest of qualities, but like, why are you all up inspecting my decorations? Like, don't. So I got this LED candle set. So basically it is 3 LED candles that are 3 different sizes. Now this was $10, and so here's like the middle one. So the leaves are not actually in here. It's actually just a clear sleeve with leaves on it. But what I do like about them is you can actually take the clear sleeve off if you want, and say you wanted to keep them up all year round or you wanted to use them for Christmas. You can literally take the sleeve off. So they do need batteries in them. I didn't put any in them. Like this. So they're like this. I was kind of thinking these would look cute in like a galvanized tray, kind of just sitting around with like little filler, maybe some pumpkins and some leaves in it. That's even a cute little like centerpiece you could do, or you could put this on like your Lazy Susan in your kitchen or something. Last Dollar General item is this pumpkin swirl donut. Just by the name, I'm sure that you guys can imagine how it smells. I cannot wait to use this. Come on, please. This is a decent sized candle. This is like almost the size of a Bath and Body Works candle, and it was $5. So I'm thinking this will be good. If it is, I'll definitely go back and probably see if they have more candles. I feel like this was the only, they might have one other candle. I don't think they had a huge like fall candle selection, but come on, Dollar General. Another candle, because like who cannot just buy candles in the fall? Who can't? Look at this. It's like, what? It's like a basic bitch in a candle. It's a basic bitch in a candle. Okay, so basically this little lid right here, it's literally plastic. It serves no purpose. It's literally what an actual coffee lid is made out of, but that is just the cutest little thing. And it's $3. It's pumpkin spice, and even when you take the lid off, it still has this really cute like plaid pattern around it. Look at that. Two more things from the Target dollar spot, and then I have like some other stuff, but I don't know where it is. This is just garland. It is wooden. They have the felt leaf garland as well, but this is just wooden garland. So it is just these wooden leaves. They're all the same. I really like those. I thought that was like a nice touch. This is also good for like the farmhouse people who like to do like the exposed wood type of vibe. I don't know where I'm gonna put these, but I really like them. They even look cute inside of like a galvanized tin. We'll see what I do with them, but I love them. They did have a good selection of the little lights at Target as well, and theirs are cheaper than Michael's also, so definitely check out Target if you're looking for some of the battery powered lights as well. Next, I got these socks. It says if the shoe, if the shoe fits. They're like little like witch socks. I just have to get a sock for every holiday. It's just something that I have an addiction to. I don't know if they mean like if the shoe fits you must acquit, like if the glove fits you must acquit from OJ, or if they mean if the shoe fits like okay, I don't really know what this is from. Or it could be referencing Cinderella. I love these. My floor is covered in fall decor, and I literally felt like I didn't shop as much this year, but looking at everything, I'm like, what did I do? It's like when you murder somebody and you black out and you're like, no, I don't remember doing that. Like, that's literally how I feel. Like, I just blacked out and now I'm surrounded by fall decor. I don't know. I had to get Boss Witch mug. So I love anything that is like the little witch puns where they're basically using witch instead of bitch. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. I actually have a cup downstairs that says just another basic witch, or not another basic witch, that I got last year. Love it. This is from TJ Maxx. It was $3.99. So cute. Love the purple handle. Super simple. Next, I got this Hocus Pocus I Need Coffee to Focus. This is also really cute. It's double-sided. It says it on both sides. This is really cute. This mug was $2.99. It's really simple, just black. Alright. One last thing, because I have been running my mouth. I don't have good luck with Rae Dunn because I'm not a Rae Dunn collector and I work a 9 to 5, so I do not have time to run to the stores in the morning and find Rae Dunn. I don't have time. Not gonna do it. Not. But I found this Rae Dunn candle. And it says pumpkin. And it's pumpkin spice flavor. It doesn't actually smell as good as the other pumpkin spice, the little mini one that I showed you. But of course, I had to get another fall candle. And I'll probably buy more. So this was $7.99, which is obviously kind of expensive for a candle this small. But it is Rae Dunn. And I do feel like you can melt it down and clean this out and use it for something. I don't know what, but I love this. And I was really excited that I found it. I actually found this in Baltimore, or no, Owen Mills, Maryland. I didn't find it anywhere by my house. I don't have a ton of luck with the Rae Dunn limited edition stuff in Delaware. Never really have a ton of luck. I did see a Rae Dunn pumpkin that I was gonna get, but the line was too long. So anyway. Alright, you guys. that was my fall decor haul. This is probably gonna wrap up the fall decor hauls, but I definitely will be doing Christmas. Nothing was over. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. My name's Courtney Lake. Remember to subscribe because we're gonna be doing the DIYs, we're gonna be doing decorate with me's, we're gonna be doing everything. I love fall. We're gonna be doing like fall fashion, we're gonna be doing it all. So make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'm a good time and I know you all enjoy a good time, right? Right. All right. Anyway, remember, breathe positivity into the universe and it will come back to you. Bye. Thanks for watching. Oh, what was that?